Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afrin's Tasty Kitchen. Today's video is about the shopping I have done recently at Home Center. So I just wanted to share the products I have bought with you all. So without wasting any time, let me quickly show you the products I have bought from the Home Center. So this is the product from Wonder Chef. This is Nutri Blend red color one. I'm going to show you. So this is the user manual. You can use this and you can know how to use the product. And next, this has a book. So this has all the recipes included. You can just check out this book. Next, coming to our product. So you can see this is looking wonderful. This is the small jar. This is used to grind, and also we have another jar. This jar, this is for blending. So we have total of 2 jars. One is for blending, you can make juices, and one is for grinding, where you can make any powders. So this is very easy to use. You can just open this and fill it, and then close the lid and just place it like this, and you just have to do it like this. That's it. This is very easy to use and very compact, takes very less place and very useful in the kitchen. So definitely you can have this product if you are willing to. So coming to this, this is a mini grater. Basically we can grate small things using this. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to cut it. So you can see this is looking so cute. You can just grate small things like garlic or anything, any nutmeg, you can use this. It's very nice. It has different shapes. You can take any one, big one or small one. This is really so cute and a wonderful gadget for kitchen. So next is this one. So basically these are round containers, and these are a set of 3 containers. I have bought this for reheating in microwave especially. So let's see this. So you can see this is a wonderful bowl. This is a glass bowl. It also has a lid. So this is how it looks. Very useful for microwave heating. Can use to reheat curries or any leftovers, chapatis. So basically this box has 3 pieces of this. Next, this is also another bowl. Let me show it to you. So much of packing is done just for the safety. This is also another bowl. This is of another shape. This is also used for reheating purpose in microwave. It also has an airtight lid. So it's looking good. This is an oven safe container. Its capacity is 620 ml. So definitely, as it's looking cute, I have bought this. Basically, this is used for making the chapatis, the board which we use for making the chapatis. So I will show it to you. From long time I was thinking to buy this. So finally I have bought this. This is made up of steel. You can see this is looking lovely. It has a grip. I just like this one, steel one, because it is easy to wash and we can clean easily. So I just bought this. So I have also bought this one. This rolling pin, this is also made up of steel. I just like this, and also it goes well with the board, matching one. So I have bought this also. These both together are pair. I like it, so I bought it. If you want, you can also purchase. So next is this one. We use this to remove any items from oil, like if you are deep frying something, deep fry strainer. I already have so many, but still I like to buy this, so I have bought this, another one to my collection. Next is the colander, basically to strain anything, or you can wash vegetables or fruits. It's a multi-purpose basket, so I have bought this. So next is the storage jars set. So you can see this contains 6 jars. As these are airtight jars, we can store anything in this. It's you can also store pulses or dry fruits. Opening is like this. It's really looking good. This box contains a set of 6 jars in total. So each jar is of its quantity is 900 ml. You can store anything of 900 ml in this jar. And good thing about this is it has a clear body to view the contents inside. You can just see whatever is inside, and it will be very easy for you to access the products. So I have bought this also to my kitchen collection. So guys, that's it. This was my shopping done at Home Center recently. So thank you guys for watching the video. I'm sure many of you will love the things I have bought for my kitchen. These products are also available in Amazon. I'll give you the best buy links in the description box to check out. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay then, see you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.